Welcome back to Python in a Minute. In today's episode, which is the final episode from the Regex series, we're going to solve some engaging and interesting Regex example to put our knowledge from our previous episode to the test. Let's dive in. Example 1, which is the extracting dates. Suppose we have a text containing dates in the format of day, month, and year, and we want to extract all dates pattern from that. Here is our regex pattern. \b is the word boundary, ensuring that the pattern matches with whole word. \d curly brackets 2 matches exactly 2 digits corresponding to the day and month. The hyphen is the literal hyphen separating the day, month, and year, and \d 4 matches exactly 4 digits for the year. Another \b at the end ensure that the pattern matches whole words in the string. So let me run and let's see what we have in the output. You can see it's correctly extract 2 dates that we have in our string as the output and return it using find all method from the regex library. And next, in the example 2, which is the validating email address, we have a code to validate email address in the string. If a given string is properly formatted by the email address. Here we have our regex pattern here. The caret at the starting assert that the position of the starting of the string. This square brackets A to Z, capital A to capital Z, 0 to 9, dot, underscore, percentage, plus sign, and hyphen matches one or more characters allowed in the email username, letters, digits, and other special characters. The @ is the literal characters separating the username and the domain. Then we have again square brackets for the domain and a dot, and finally we have again square brackets A to Z with lower and capital case with two or more letter for the domain extension, ensuring it's a valid TLD, and the final $sign assert that the position of the end string. If I run this, you can see if this test that email @example.com is a true email because it matches with the pattern that we provided, and the next one because it does not have the final part of the email after that, so it returns false because it does not match with the pattern that we provided. Example C is the finding a repeated word. Let's find all occurrence of the repeated word in the text. Pattern that we provided here, \b is the word boundary here, starting with that. And then it's ensure the pattern match with the whole words. Then parenthesis \w plus capture a word, one or more word characters. \s plus matches one or more white space characters separating the repeated word, and \1 references the first capture group, ensuring the word repeated, so we have at least one. Another \b is at the end that ensure that the pattern matches whole words. For example, in the test, this is a test string. You can see at the output we find two repetitive words here with using this pattern. So we have is and test. Using find all method here, we return all repetitive words in this input string. And that's a quick look at some interesting regex example. This is very powerful tools in the Python, mostly in the text applications. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned and happy coding.